The Mobb Folding Toilet Safety Frame is an ultra high quality foldable toilet frame that doesn't require any tools to set up. First, lay out and inspect all of the included pieces. Then attach each leg until it is secured to the desired height. You'll hear an audible click when the leg is secure. Now, open your frame and you're ready to go. Check out halohealthcare.com for all of your bathroom safety needs. If you enjoyed this video, let us know in the comment section below, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.